Yeehaw! Another segment for Pappy's Corner coming up.
Hey, how'd you like my electric hammer? You know, one of these days I'm gonna upgrade and get me a wireless one. Take a look at my notes here. First off, thank you for coming to the corner today. Got that written right down right here. Can't forget to thank my subscribers.
Yeah.
Those that support the channel. I love you guys so much. You know, I have learned so much in the last 6 months with all the support and all the channels and all the collaborating and things going on. The sticker boards. This is my third mail call. So, I've got 3 stickers. I was hoping for more. I've been holding on to some of these stickers here for 2-3 weeks. But finally getting around to the mail call, that's the important thing. And remember, if you have a sticker from Pappy's Corner, rest assured, I have rung your bell. Situation. Okay, now let's get started with the mail call. And I've got them right here. Oops. I like my little podium stand here. This is a music stand. Been using it for years here on the corner. Works great for me. Now I've got my board here and you can't see the stickers up here, but we'll get to that soon enough. So, I've actually been marking the envelopes as they come in. This is sticker number 9, and it's a magnet. Comes from Scott Pearson Tools and More. And this is a really cool sticker right here. Get up here where you can see it. Okay, this is a magnet, and I do have it on. He sent me 2 of them. So I have one over here on my toolbox, and I'm going to hold on to this one. This one will decide where to put at a later date. So, thank you, Scott Pearson. Number 10. Mail call comes from MissouriOldTimer. Pretty cool sticker, huh? Everybody's got such cool stickers, you know. Take a look at mine, it's just a pea in the corner. Jeez. I tell you. Where's the creative aspect of Pappy's Corner? Okay, Vern, thank you for the sticker. And Vern just got rocking and rolling on his stickers, so he's got a pretty darn good collection going. It's bigger than mine already. Happy for you, Vern. Okay, number 11. Mail call goes out to Buzzsaw. Love this guy. This guy can BS more than anyone I've ever seen on YouTube. There he is, Buzzsaw. He's out east somewhere. Don't know if I sent you mine, but if not, here. Enjoy your vids, Buzz. Well, thanks, Buzz. And definitely going to get that up on the sticker board here. And matter of fact, it's time to get these up on the sticker board. Scott Pearson. Maybe I'll get some sticky on here for putting my magnets on. That's a good thought. I got double-sided tape. I can go ahead and get that on there. I'm not going to go through that right now. We'll get her on there and then show you. Okay, let's put on MissouriOldTimer. I'm put him right next to Duke's small engines, because these guys are actually small engine experts. I've been to their channels, watched a lot of their videos. These guys are genuine, homegrown video entertainment, just like Pappy's Corner. And that's what we all like. We don't need any of that fancy scripts and cameramen and fancy wazoo noises going on everywhere. There he is. cool sticker, man. I've got some cool stickers. All right, thanks Vern from Missouri Oldtimer channel. Buzzsaw. Where are we going to put you, Buzz? You're going to fit real good right under DIY Misfit Mechanic. That's part of doing this is, figure it's kind of like a puzzle. You know, you get the joy of checking out the stickers and then putting the puzzle together. All right, Buzzsaw. We got you, man. You are in good company right here, brother. Look at that. I love the American flag. Look at that, Papa, Texas. That's who you're next to. Good News Travelers. Buzz, you couldn't ask for a better place to park it on Pappy's board. So, thank you guys. But anyway, I love you guys. I love the support I'm getting, and I will support you back, believe you me. Especially if you got one of these babies. Because then I ring your bell, baby. Yeah. Thanks again. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.